This thing is so handy. The Gerber. My fan is, I just took the face off this fan with my Gerber. This is my electric fan, but I mean my battery operated fan. But anyways, it's doing this, making that noise. So what I have to do is screw this thing. Oh, I guess I went the wrong way. Anyway, that was loose. Okay, now. It still looks kind of wobbly, but at least it's not making that noise. That thing is annoying. And it's brand new. The blades aren't dirty. I have 2 of these electric fans, but pretty sure, I know it fell. I had it up here on the bed in the RV, and it fell and then started wobbling. But that was an easy fix. That was an easy fix. Powerful little thing. Yeah, this is a travel fan, and it goes on a battery. And it lasts 24 hours. This is the low section right here, which will last 24 hours. If you turn it up higher, it'll go from like 12, 6, 8 hours. It won't last 24 on high, but it will definitely last 24 on low. And it puts out good air on low too. Did I turn it up? Yeah, it puts out good air on low too. Yeah, that's low. This fan came from the exchange. It's called Geek Air, and it only came in yellow. It was $75, and I did buy 2 of them because I'm in the RV. And sometimes I'm not attached to power. I am right now, but sometimes I'm not. So fans come in handy. Okay, so this is the arm of the fan. And it will hang on the window, so you can get the air blowing in to the window. The RV, it will hang in the window by the arm. It has a nice little tote handle for easy lifting. It adjusts to any position. Okay, right now I'm plugging it back into shore power because I am at an RV park. And you can also charge like your phone if the lights go out. So if the power goes out, you're traveling, you're sitting outside, you have Geek Air, and it does attach to solar power. You got scissors, screwdriver, bottle openers, flathead, any tool that you can think of. Even the knife is there. All in this little Gerber. And pliers. To put it away, you pull this down and it goes in. Handy and cute. And it's also a wire cutter.